Let's go over the ingredients. 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of olive oil, half cup of red wine vinegar, 1 lemon, 3 red chili peppers, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 sprig of thyme, 1 small chicken, and 4 teaspoons of paprika. Now let's make the marinade. In a food processor or a blender, let's mix all the ingredients together. Paprika, salt, olive oil, red wine vinegar, red chili peppers, thyme, garlic, squeeze the lemon juice, get all that juice all up in there, some black pepper. Now blend it on high speed for about 1 minute. Let's see what we got here. That's exactly what we were looking for. Looks great. I can smell the spices. The chicken's gonna be amazing, amazing. Let's get the chicken ready by removing the backbone out of the chicken. We're going to cut on either side like so. And here it is, the backbone. We're not going to use it at all, so we're just gonna throw it in the trash. Open up your chicken, remove any excess fat, and throw it in the trash as well. Make sure that you stretch your chicken out, and we're going to open it like a butterfly. Lay your chicken flat on a baking dish and pour most of your marinade all over the chicken. Make sure that you get it in and out. I am saving a little bit of the marinade sauce to use later on once the chicken is cooked. Now I'm going to let the chicken marinate overnight, and we're going to bake it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're baking it at 375 degrees for 1 hour. And my peri peri chicken is done. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at that beautiful chicken. I'm gonna tear it up. I am serving my Nando's peri peri chicken with some French fries. Actually, they're not fried. I baked them in the oven, and some green mixed salad. Nando style peri peri chicken. Okay, now the peri peri sauce that we saved, we can now pour it all over the chicken. Look at that. And there you have it, guys. Nando's peri peri chicken. Enjoy. Let's give it a try. I can't wait. It looks moist. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh wow, all that flavor. This chicken is the best chicken I have ever made. This is fantastic. I'm in love. Guys, I am officially in heaven. This Nando peri peri chicken is the best.